Hi everyone, I'm Linda from Banjo's Bead House and welcome to What's in the Box for our February 2026 Seed Bead Inspiration Box. So as you know, this year we are doing a mixture of nature themes and we're switching between beach themes and gemstone themes. And this month we are playing around with amethyst. So I'm going to tip you down and show you the picture that started it all. So this is the Amethyst Geode graphic that started my colorway for this box. You've got a lovely mix from pinky purples all the way through some really darky purples. And this is what started me off on our color journey for the month. And of course, I had to put amethyst in the box, given that this is an amethyst themed starting point. So, as always, you would have received our little inspiration box insert. You would have seen the tease graphic, and then you've also got a little treat of some of the colors that are in there for the seed beads. On the back of that, you've got your full comprehensive list of all of the contents and your QR code to access all of the project videos online. So let's take a look at what is actually in the box. So we start with our first seed bead color. This is in size 11 only, and it is the 1062D galvanized dusty lilac. It is a really beautiful, soft, kind of pinky purpley metallic. So really, really lovely. 11 only on that one. The next one is the 9316, which is the light amethyst gold luster. And you have that in the 11 as well as the 15. Next, you've got the 91932 semi-matte violet lined amethyst. So this is a double purple. It's one purple lining, another purple with matte, and it is just this beautiful, rich, bluey, gorgeous purpley bead to work with. Next, you have 9223, which is the grape line crystal, which you have in the 15, the 8, and the 11. So lots of this to work with. And this is one of the colors I used in the project, along with the dusty lilac. The next one is 9352, which is purple lined aqua. So again, you've got more of this brighter purpley tone with just a little bit of blue influence in it, and you have that in 3 sizes. And we finish it off with the Duracoat galvanized champagne. Now, some of you might be asking why I included the 94204. Well, I did that because if you look at some of the amethyst stone, and you'll see it here in the graphic, there is some brown or golden tone shades to amethyst. It's a natural occurring part of the stone. So I thought I'd bring that in with one of the seed beads. So then we get to what is actually in the box in terms of the gemstones. So we have this lovely 37 mil by 4 mil round cabochon. He's very, very flat. I thought this would be fun if you had the January box. You could do a same sort of bezel around this one. You could certainly pop it onto some seed bead embroidery and stitch around it. And if you got the pre-order bonus with the extra little cabs, you could really have some fun doing lots of different cabs. This one is got some semi-translucentness to it, which is why I thought that draw bezel would be great. And then you can see here you've got those brown shades running through, and that's where the golden, the Duracoat champagne element came into my color choice. Then we go to one of the more unique shapes of cabs I've seen in a while, which is these sword cabs. So they come to a lovely point. They are quite thick. And this became the focus of the project for this month for me. But they are a lovely, fun bead to have worked with. There is no hole, it is a cab. So it was a lovely, fun one to play with. And if you haven't seen it from off the graphic, this is what I made with it. So I turned it into a little pendant, and that's the one from the sneak peek on the front. You also got in the box 2 14mm lampwork glass beads. So they're a white purple combination, so lots of fun. You received 2 of the purple wax cotton cord finished necklaces. So if you are creating a pendant, don't want to make a rope, you've got an instant piece to finish it. Equally, if you're making a pendant, easy piece to finish it off with. So nice, easy finishing option. And lastly, you got a new toggle clasp, which I will be bringing onto range, and some jump rings and some closed jump rings for the rope. That is the other part of the project. And that is what was in the box for our February 2026 seed bead box. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we look forward to sharing our next What's in the Box with you. Bye for now.